In this video, we will learn about how to make the sketch by using Autodesk Fusion 360. Here, we are going to create only the right half of the image and the left half will be created by using the mirror command. So only the right half will be drawn and we will draw the plane of mirror line and then we will try to make the left half of the sketch by using this mirror line. Let's go to the sketching. Click on Create Sketch. Select the vertical plane. Select the line command. So let's start our sketch from the origin. Click on the origin point. Move your mouse and give the dimension of 50 mm and click at the horizontal plane. Let's move your mouse vertically. Give the distance as 10 and click. Move your mouse in the horizontal direction. Give the distance as 10 and click. Sorry, let's come out of the command. So let's click again. Click on the point and give the distance as 10. Click by using the left mouse button. Move your mouse vertically and give the distance as 60. Type 60 in your keyboard. Then click. Move your mouse horizontally. Give distance as 20. Sorry, 10 and click. Then this distance is exactly don't know. So let's try to click somewhere and later we will provide the distance. Let's click here and this vertical distance is given as 5. So let's type 5 and it come out of the command. So let's select the line command again and click on this point and move your mouse. Give the distance as 5 and press enter. So now here you can see this distance is 5 and 5. But this line distance is not given, but actually the angle is given as 90 degree. So what we have to do is, let's try to draw a mirror line here. So in order to draw the mirror line, select the line command, click on the origin point, move your mouse vertically and click anywhere. Press escape to come out of the command. Click on the line, left click, then right click on the line. Select the option as normal bar construction. So this will create the construction line. Now we need to make this point coincident with this vertical line. Let's try to provide the constraint. So here in the constraint, select the coincident constraint. This point should touch with this one. Let me undo it. So here this is a coincident constraint. This point should be touched with this one. Okay. Now the point is touched with the construction line. Now let us try to provide this angle. So here the whole angle is 90 degree. So let me give the angle between this line and this inclined line as 45 degree. So let's try to create a dimension between the vertical mirror line and this inclined line. To create a dimension, press D on your keyboard or you can select from here. I'm pressing the keyboard key D. So the dimension command is activated. Select the vertical mirror line and this inclined line. Now the angle is creating. Change the angle as 45 degree and then press enter. Now we had drawn one half of the sketch. Let's try to create the other half by using mirror command. So here is your mirror command. If you are not able to see, click on the drop down menu. We can see the mirror command. So select the mirror command. So here two options you need to select. One is the object to be mirrored and second one is a mirror line. So objects to be mirrored is highlighted now. So in order to select all the lines, just click and drag and select the entire lines. So objects are selected. Now select the mirror line and select the vertical mirror line. Now all the lines are get mirrored. Just give OK. Now we have completed our sketch as per the dimensions. Click on Finish Sketch. Click on the home icon to view it as isometric. Select Extrude and give some dimension and give OK. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.